custom lighting from Dollar Tree that saves hundreds. This is the best product I have ever seen at Dollar Tree.
It's the one store you get to feel rich in, and all of these tricks are the secrets that sellers use.
Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. If you want the look of Pottery Barn, Etsy, Pinterest, and you have no time, I feel you, I got you, let's jump into it. We're gonna start out with the Dollar Tree canvases, and Dollar Tree sells resin.
This is one of the most commonly found craft products in stores right now at Dollar Tree Plus. I'll put a store locator below so you can find one near you, but this is so affordable and it's gonna blow your mind. We are gonna make $140 retail wave art using Dollar Tree products. You just wanna stick around to see if this works. Dollar Tree sells gorgeous trays, and I'm gonna get 3 different pour paints in the colors indigo, cobalt, and snow. Dollar Tree also sells wood rounds for $1.25 or larger ones for just $3. This resin says right on the bottle that it's non-toxic, but definitely make sure to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. You're gonna mix the hardener and the resin. I put on my gloves, trust me, once I got in more contact with the resin, and you wanna mix it slowly for 5 minutes. Dollar Tree sells a pack of these mini mixing cups. They're 60 milliliters. Fill them halfway up with the resin hardener mix, and then you're gonna wanna squeeze in some of your pour paint right on top and mix with a toothpick. I did it for all 3 colors, and I left 1 clear. I mixed in about a tablespoon or so of paint just to make sure that the color was fully saturated. And then you're gonna pour this onto your round. I started with the darkest color, and then I added the lighter blue, and this is going to give you that ocean texture. Y'all, when I say this is relaxing, it so is. This was so fun to do. I took a tongue depressor and I spread this out to mix the colors, and this is going to give it the illusion of different depths of water. Now here's the fun part. Take your clear resin and put it on the edge of the water line, and this is going to form your wave. Then I took some white resin and poured it onto the top. The clear resin is going to act as a buffer agent between the blue and the white. Then I took a straw and blew into this, and it's going to create the illusion of wave foam. A little bit of trial and error really helps with this project, and I put down a layer of saran wrap and paper towels because I knew this was going to drip. You can clean it up with a tongue depressor and then spread along the side.
I mean, why am I wearing a white shirt to do this?
That's the worst choice.
Literally, this is the worst choice I could have made.
I realized after working a little while, adding a line for a second wave is what makes it look great. Again, I had that clear coat of resin. Once the bottom layer of resin dries for just about 20 minutes or so, this looks so beautiful and has really easy cleanup. Man, was this fun and cost me well under $10. And you've got to see how this tray turned out. Once I started working with this, it started to get easier, way more fun. You guys, I could not stop. Try this at your next family night, or maybe if you want to have some girlfriends over. I added the 2 colors of blue, my layer of clear, and I put this right into the tray. And I wanted to do a little bit more experimentation. I decided the straw gave me some really pretty waves, but I wanted to try using my heat gun. You could also use a hair dryer on a low setting, and this is going to change the pigment of the paint just a little bit. I decided after this that I wanted to add in clear resin on the other side to make the tray one level. And just like Bob Ross would say, no mistakes, just happy accidents. After I did this and spread out the clear, I decided I wanted to add some more white and give it a go. Just add as much paint or as little as you want. Because this is so abstract, these look incredible and you don't have to try very hard. And with leftover resin from the dollar store, you can get these geometric hollow frame bezels. I just put a little bit of painter's tape on the back of these and pour the leftover resin inside. And now you get to decorate with Dollar Tree supplies till your heart's content. Maybe you want to add a little bit more pour paint to make it a color, or my personal favorite, add some glitter. You can put anything inside of these, and I'm going to give you some of my secret tips when working with resin. The first is, once you pour your resin, you have about 20 minutes of working time, and that's for all of these projects before your resin starts to set. All of this resin takes 24 hours to cure. As the resin starts to harden, it gets more viscous, so just keep that in mind. You can get some tweezers from the Dollar Tree. These are little broken up pieces of glass I also got from Dollar Tree, and then some pressed plants, and use your tweezers to put these inside. And repeat after me, you can't mess up. I'm gonna say it again, you can't mess up. If you have a little bit too much resin, you can always take some out with some paper towel. It's very fungible and movable, so just play with it. This doesn't have to be perfect. Add more where you need, keep it fun, and after 24 hours, everything is ready to go. Another option to give it some more shine is to polish with a pumice stone. I did this on the back where the painter's tape touched, and then I gave it a quick rinse with water. Take an existing necklace that you don't like anymore and some jump rings. You can take this off of an old necklace using some pliers or just get these at Dollar Tree. This is incredibly stunning. And you want to see how much we saved? Holy bonanzas, this beautiful seller is selling these for $30 each, and I made them for just a few cents. When you come to Do It on a Dime, I want you to experience art that you can do. Like truly, you can't mess these up and they are stunning in person. But I already hear you in the comments. Kathryn, I want easy, like way easy. Do you remember these flexible LED lamps that I got from Dollar Tree recently? I put these behind all of the art in my house. Even if you don't like to DIY, this is a must for your house. But there is an even better product.
I recently found this home luminaire spotlight. What's amazing about this is it's plug-in, it's an LED light, it has a multi-directional pivoting head, a canopy, and no bulbs are required. This is an incredible complement to all of your DIY artwork. You could put this in your bedroom, you could put this by a piano. The options are limitless. I cannot wait to show you this product.
I don't know why this is $1.25, and I know you're probably gonna ask, yes, these sell out really fast in store. However, these have been rotating through the stores in my area. I live in North Carolina. I've seen lots of people in Florida talking about these. I wanna hear in the comments down below. Have you encountered these lights? Have you put them on your wall? They're nice and light, and I just wire the cord up and attach with a command hook at the top of the ceiling. And I wanna show you the art that I ended up putting underneath of this. And of course, I got it from Dollar Tree and used Dollar Tree paint. These are the $1.25 finds.
You can also grab some of these canvases in line with that wave art. Oh man, we're gonna love this, and I think your kids will too. There is a field trip in Dollar Tree. I love this. Yeah, they're so excited. They're crafting too. This is amazing.
Here's my high-end secret. Take some dollar store acrylic paint and go over some of the canvas art. Pick colors that are really easy to copy and mimic, and this is going to give those plain canvases that are just prints some texture. I loved these grass photos, and I took some Mod Podge, I added it to the top, and then I added a little bit of these sparkly rocks. This really reminds me of some art that I've been seeing in Target and Kirkland's. It just has a little bit of shine to it and gives it some dimension. Command hooks go right on the back, and that way I could stick this on my wall, always work in groups of 3. You wanna see the light? Here's what it looks like. Holy wow. Tell me how much you think something like this would retail for. I spent just $5. These also can attach to walls in a reverse way for beautiful uplighting in any room to elevate your space on a budget. And we are not done. I have more high-end finds for you. Have you seen these little glass bottles? I recently made a Dollar Tree glassware video on my channel, but I didn't talk about these or these little shell jars. And I have got a hack for you that a friend told me that she saves literally $20 to $30 by doing this herself. Dollar Tree sells pink Himalayan bath salt, they sell Epsom salts, and we are going to use these little jars. Don't worry, I'm saving the shells for a future DIY project to make bath salts that you can give as gifts. You can also keep these for yourself. Half a bag of the pink Himalayan salt and a full bag of the Epsom salt. Here I'm using lavender scent. Then just add some essential oils to it. Add about a tablespoon of a warm, relaxing oil. I'm using sandalwood, and then brighten it with a surprise few shakes of a floral or fruit scent. This is gonna give it that complexity that's really high end. You could use anything that you already have at home or shop the dollar store. I added some dried flowers that I got from my garden. Here I'm using peony and sage. Then I just used a Dollar Tree funnel to put these into the little jars. Look how cute these are. And most shops will retail this for $7 to $25, or maybe $32 or $56. Y'all, these are expensive. And this cost me literally under 10 bucks. And there was an extra 2-jar yield that you're not even seeing here, and that includes the containers. Friends, oh my gosh, I love all of this. I have so many more videos coming, so be sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy saving money. I also want to share with you these salt lamps. This is a new product at Dollar Tree. These are LED, they plug in, and I was really impressed with how beautiful this was in the bathroom. When you turn it on at night, the lights flicker and it gave such a subtle glow. I loved it, no DIY required.
Oh my gosh, check this out too. If you like crafting but don't actually like crafting, they now sell the crafting paper pads. All you have to do is come over here and combine it with some of these frames. And this is brand new this year. They have tons of frames that look really high end, from faux leather to really pretty colors. This combination makes incredible gift ideas you can have on hand.
The 3 frames you're seeing here are brand new at Dollar Tree, and they're my favorites. They're so neutral, I thought they would also look gorgeous in a bathroom, especially this stone one.
My sweet friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll see you guys soon. Kids are in here. Oh, it's a whole class. A whole class of children. Everyone who thinks that I film at the Dollar Tree without people here, no, there's always people here. There are only like 19 children that just walked in.